how to sell Flipkart coupons online and make money. I'm going to show you how you can easily sell Flipkart coupons online and make money. First, register as a seller and complete the verification process in the section Profile. After verification, click on Account Preferences. Then select My Products. Now press Add New Product. Next, choose the product category, which is gift cards. Select the product, which is Flipkart. Fill in the fields like value and price. Now select the currency. Then enter the product name and description. Upload the image. Now select what payment you will accept for your product. Then click on Next. Select the way to share the Flipkart key. After you have added the codes, click on Save. Once done, the Flipkart gift card has been placed for sale.